I thought it would be a great idea for us to take a look at setting up a FinCEN ID. Think of a FinCEN ID for tax professionals as similar to a PTIN. We're going to give the government our ID information one time and then get this code to share every time. So government's still going to have our data, but every time we help a taxpayer or client do their beneficial ownership information, their Corporate Transparency Act information, I'm not going to have to upload another copy of my driver's license or other government ID. Instead, it's going to be tagged. One of my plans is to do a Freedom of Information Act request as soon as I can on my own submission, just to see what's in those files. But for now, I want to get a FinCEN ID, and I think that's what we all want to do. So I went to the fincen.gov/BOI database screen, and now I'm going to click Create a FinCEN ID, which of course is optional, but why wouldn't you want to do that, right? So right here, sign or create an ID with login.gov. Now, you're going to need to create one. I'm skipping this here. It's just like creating the ID.me account. It's yet another item that we have to have on our phones, right? I'm putting in my first name, last name, and initial, John Shealy, my date of birth. I'm going to plug in my residential address because that will match my, or at least it should match my ID that I plan to upload. Of course, that's the United States, New York State. Okay, so we're going to upload my my driver's license, which I've conveniently got available here. All right, I certify the above information is true and correct. I agree. Okay, submitting. Success. Here's my FinCEN ID. How wild is that? Now yours should be blacked out, but this is a great little report. Now, of course, it doesn't say here where to save. There is a download, so I'm going to download. It gives you my FinCEN ID number here, and then below it was all the demographic information I used. I am going to save that. And there you go. How simple and cool. I recommend everyone go and get themselves a FinCEN ID today.